In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can remove the performance overlay that displays things like your FPS, your GPU, your CPU, and of course, latency stats in the top right corner of your screen. Obviously, I have mine turned off right now, but we're going to show you how you can make yours look exactly like mine, especially if you accidentally turned them on and didn't want them there. But yeah, before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel and we would greatly appreciate it. But with that being said, let's dive straight into this. Now, if you don't need that info and you just want a cleaner display, there's actually a super simple shortcut to turn this off. You just need to, on your keyboard, go ahead and press the Alt tab and then the R tab at the exact same time, and it's going to turn that off for you. As you can see, it's obviously not doing anything for me just because I don't have that latency even enabled on my computer, but that'll turn that overlay off for you. If you want to turn it back on, you just have to press Alt and R again and you're good to go. But once again, I have it fully disabled, so I don't even need to do that. But that really is all it does take. If this video did help you out, consider dropping a like in the video and of course subscribing to the channel with all notifications on for even more tutorials just like this. Let us know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions as well. We can help you out there. But have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.